So the guys working here said you can look around, so happy days. I'm just going to take you around and show you what cars are around here and what they're doing with them. So that is the Volkswagen Polo that I've just stripped. Like I said, it's done 195,000 miles. Rotten as a pear. But the interior is nice and clean. Now, there's a few bits left on here. All the interior is nice. And obviously you've seen all the engine and things. He buys a lot from Copart to do up himself. He's trying to fix this one. Nissan Note, I think it is. 2008 Note. I think he's trying to just transfer bits over to that to make one good car, I think. He's got some nice cars in here, mind. Yeah, it's locked, that is. A nice 320 diesel, yeah. Look at the alloy wheels on that, that's nice, isn't it? What a nasty knock on the side. What a nice car, look. Man, no, look at the interior on that. It's nice, isn't it? I miss my old BM, I gotta be honest. This would go again. Definitely. It's got the angel headlights as well. It's quite a high spec one, looking at it. That would go quite easily. I don't know about the... That's had quite a shunt in the side there. Nicer parts though. You got a Vauxhall Corsa there. 2 of them. I wonder what he's doing with these. Good nick actually. It's take it on the side. It's quite a nice 1.4. Quite a nice looking Corsa. I don't know what he's going to do with that. He's obviously going to sell it if it's in a good nick like this. This is a nice car. Look at that. What a beautiful car. Obviously I like my Audis. Front end damage. You can see that bar window, don't you? What a nice looking car though. A7. There's loads of cars around here, look. Yeah, that's definitely seen better days. What a bloody big car that is though. You need to see this window up, don't you? What a nice looking car, guys. I reckon I'll go again. Probably cost a hell of a lot more than it's worth though. Another Corsa. Ooh, minging. Let's look at power. 57,000 on this one. Oof, don't smell the best. Let's see. I bet I'll repair it and come up nice actually. We've got 65 plate Fiesta. Yeah, got to be the EcoBoom engine. Really knackered, isn't it? If it's just a slam panel, that's an easy fix. But would you want to invest in an engine like that? No, it's terrible. Nice car though, nice colour. Probably needs a bit of work, but that'd go again. You got a bit of rear damage as well. thought I might as well make the most of the opportunity. I never come around. You never get to see this anymore. Come around and see the cars. You're always handed apart, so I'm very lucky today. Let's have a look at this. Mazda. This has been here a while, hasn't it? A lacquer on that. Oof, it's been dragged through a nettle bush a few times. What's he doing with this? It's still got power on it, look. Can you see the mileage on there? Oof. Stinks. Nice though. And this is what I was looking at. A nice 320 BM. It's had a rear shunt, the look of it. Depends on how bad that is on the back. I think it's that bad. It's all locked up, look. It's been here a good while. I've been here long, mind. 24th of the 4th, 24. Accident. So it hasn't been here long, that's for sure. But it looks like it's been here years. You got a Volkswagen there. Random door card. And here, if you wanted to facelift a Caddy or something, I think this is what they use, isn't it? Definitely been here a while. Got a Toyota Verso. It's locked as well. You've got the keys if I wanted to get in any one. But nice looking little car. I don't know what he's doing with that. Bit of rear end damage up there. Got another Fiesta. Plate, a few scratches. I think it must be a style because it's just got wheel trims. A little van there, and we got that. What the hell is that? Another A7, I think he's going to try and fix this one. Look at the size of them wheels on that. It's a funky looking van. Staying away from the transits, that's for sure. It's like it's been stolen. That's a nice looking car though. The various doors there, look, just sitting around. I think they're no good, some of these. That door lock might look alright if you wanted to spray it. Nice Fiesta wing there. Another Audi. This has been here a while. It's a nice looking car, that is. Ooh, it's a bit like the Volkswagen Polo. Just looks like a parts car. Look at the state of that. Audi A3, it's a shame, innit? I bet that scrap up well. Trust me to like the shit cars. Another Nissan Note there, he likes his notes. same as being in Copart. How long's this one been here then? April. It's not, I haven't been here long. The state of it. A random door there, he's got a few bits. So there, all what we've just looked at. You got this one here, he's doing it. Automatic. Look at that, that's nice. Didn't see us on the way in. It's a nice looking 1 Series. And then you got a Fiesta 500 there. And then all my bits. And you got more over there. We got Solastra. State of that. I think that's going to go again. And another Vauxhall Astra. Toyota Yaris. Ooh, that's had a wallop. Oh, that fuse box. Wouldn't want to try and repair that. It's going to need a pull, for sure. This little Yaris, I wonder what's wrong with this. I'll have to find out, guys. And this is the Volkswagen Polo. I got the crash bar off. Someone's already nabbed the wing off there. Still got loads of parts that's usable on this, mind. So if you like this sort of thing, don't forget to subscribe and like the video and share if you can. Comment below, tell me what you thought of the video, and you never know, I might do some more. Back to the garage and the next episode, working on either Polo. So thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you all in a bit. Bye guys.